And I feel like this shirt party is starting to stress out my pants. Hi, freaks. Let's see what Jaime's got for me today. Okay, I can see why Jaime went with pink and green. That's one of my favorite color combinations. Other than that, this outfit really makes no sense and is pretty horrendous. I don't have those white pants anymore, but I have a similar pair. So let's do it. Here's my manifestation. I did remember the blazer this time, and I just layered it on my shoulders because I was already struggling enough getting this tiny cardigan over this big shirt and didn't want to put more bulk on. But yeah, it's so many layers, it's so bulky. It's actually better with the layers because otherwise it's just too many colors. I don't know what this look is. There's the very beachy pants with magical genie shoes and silly earrings, but then I like how the rest of it is actually pretty conservative office pieces, just in the worst combination. It's like malicious compliance with the dress code, like a button down and a cardigan and a blazer, but like I feel like this look says I have to go to work, but I want to be on vacation. Anyway, I don't know what I'm gonna do to fix this, but it's pretty bad. Well, this is embarrassing, but sometimes you just have to try stuff. I know last time Jaime picked that cardigan, I also replaced it with this same shirt. I just really don't like that cardigan. The colors are too warm for me, it doesn't fit very well, so I don't know. I just thought I would try layering it over the shirt, and it's not great, but I'm not giving up on it yet. I actually envisioned um, the shirt to be like above the elbow. Maybe I can just roll it past the button. Why not? It's still kind of weird, but it's better. I think it looks better with less green showing. I'm going to see how far I can get with this top. My next task is going to be finding some kind of layer, like a vest or something to put over this, probably to replace the blazer, but also and mostly because it's very it's like wrinkly with the shirt under it and it's not looking nice on top. So let's see what we can find. I didn't have a lot of options for a layer, but I found this black and white top, and it might not be the most obvious choice from Jaime's inspiration, but I really like the way it's giving it a bigger silhouette and kind of making the sleeves make more sense. I oddly kind of like it. I took the necklace off, there's just too much up here. Um, and I feel like this shirt party is starting to stress out my pants. Like, you got three shirts, I don't even have a zipper. Um, Although maybe I'll just try tucking them in first. I just feel like we need some business on the bottom too. Okay, that actually helped a lot. And then I went ahead and rolled up the cuffs just to sort of match the rolled sleeves, but I don't know, it still doesn't seem right. I'm gonna keep working on it. Like I said, sometimes you just have to try stuff. Let's move on. I didn't expect these dark green pants to work either. Normally, I would never pair these with the green shirt because they're really clashing colors of green, but with all these layers on, I think it kind of works. I also thought it would just be too much color, but I think the white pants actually stood out more than the green because these are dark and they're pulling in the green from the top, so I think it works. I don't know about the red shoes, if I'm gonna keep those. It's kind of a nice little bookend with the earrings, but I'm gonna see if I can do better. I think it's the length of the pants that's weird with the shoes. Did we always wear our skinny pants this short or did these shrink? I don't know, but I think I can do better. Couple of shoe options here. We can go more masculine or more feminine, and I kind of like them both. I think where I'm struggling with this whole silhouette is very 2010s, but now that I'm looking at this, actually, I think all the bulk up here needs like a sturdier shoe to ground it. So I'm gonna try this one, but with a navy sock, maybe? I haven't forgotten about you, blue stripe in the shirt. Need something to pull you in. I actually changed the red sock to this darker red, and then here's the navy, which is so dark it's almost black. I feel like these both work fine. I might just keep one of each because I like it. Why not? They don't have to match. I think we're pretty much done, except Jaime did say we should wear more bandanas, so it seems like too much, but let's try it. Yeah, I think it's too much. It'd be fun backwards, but no, it was a good thought. No, it's too much up here with everything else going on. I really want to use it though, because I feel like the colors are so perfect and the design of it just goes with my sort of clowny vibes that I have going on now. Ugh, like, what else can I do with it? Scarves are so versatile. I don't want to put it in my hair. I could just stick it in my pocket to do my clown tricks and just keep pulling it out. I still want to tie in the blue a little more. Oh my god, I'm a genius. So I tried this blue bag earlier because I thought the navy stripe is even more the perfect thing for this navy stripe because it's literally just one long stripe. But then all the navy here next to the black and with the dark green, it was just too many colors and didn't solve the problem of tying in the blue. It just made that problem worse. But then I tied my scarf around it and it's like still open on the top, so you can still open it. I mean, it kind of just looks like a bag tied in a scarf, but that's so perfect because then you can just take the bag off and then your outfit's only kind of weird. I love it so much. Mad props to Jaime because I would never have thought to put any of these shirts together, and this turned out so much better than I could have hoped. I feel like this is one of the best transformations I've ever done because the first outfit was I'm at work and I want to be having fun, and this one is like I'm at work and I'm a professional clown and I am having fun. So this is great. Can't wait to start my new life as a clown. Where would you wear this if you would wear this? Who do you think won? Regular me or Jaime? This still kind of looks like something Jaime would make, but that just means my style is getting better. Are you high right now? And thank you for watching. Where would I wear this? Honestly, I don't think I would wear this. It feels like I'm getting my blood pressure taken from both arms at the same time.